Welcome to today's Hoop Tech How-To. Today we are going to show you how to set up and install your PR2 clamping system. This clamping system is not the same as the Slimline 2, and the windows are not interchangeable. It comes with two windows, including the 11x5 and an 8x5. This window set has two pieces. Insert the neon window into the bottom and twist the black knob down to tighten. Then you will put the silver top piece in. You may need to pinch the silver arms to lock it into place. Loosen the screws on the side so you can adjust it once it's on your machine. We will install with the clamp closed, so go ahead and close it. Place it on your drive bar in the same spot you would set your cap driver. Use the thumb screws that came with your machine to tighten it down. This extended part here presses down this piece, which controls the size of your window, or sew field. If you are receiving a message like this one, you can use pliers to adjust it slightly up or down. Now we will adjust the clamp. With Allen wrench in hand, press down on the back of the clamp so it's resting on the sewing arm. While pressing down with one hand, use the other to tighten the screws a little. If the handle is blocking the fourth screw, save it for last. You can tighten that with the clamp open. Once you have it there, go ahead and finish tightening down the rest of the screws. Now your clamp is adjusted and ready for use. Once you have your design ready, make sure and do a trace. This bag is from Wholesale Boutique. They have the cutest blanks that your customers will love. Check out their link in the description box below. This clamp will be your best friend when it comes to bags, weekenders, blankets, and so much more. Thanks for watching this Hoop Tech How-To. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more.